This is Tachibana Corporation coming at you with another unboxing video. Today we have a box to unboxing. I'll let you guys get a good look at the box. They have a different design this month. Discover Japan through snacks. Mochi, mochi, mochi. I always love that they include these. A lot of the snacks this month look really good. I do love mochi. Mochi is really good. Next month's haiku hint is pink and green above food, laid out for all below. Here come the spring days. I'm guessing this is the tea that they included. So far, all of the snacks look very delicious. And I know I mention this every time, but I love these, the chewy kind. Ooh, I think they included something that's hard on the outside but chewy on the inside. Extra virgin olive oil. These look delicious. Every month they come out with better and better snacks. These all look very good too. Looks like that's the end of those. These have really cool and cute designs. Looks like you can do like puzzles. This looks like a maze. This looks like the puzzle of Find 5 Differences. I love the wrapping of every single one of these. Mochi mochi, custard, daifuku, sounds interesting. Ooh, this looks so good. I like these boxes because they have certain boxes like these where you can like put your phone in it and snack. Garlic, it looks like it's spicy. These look really good. craving more, save 10% with code CRAVE10 at boxu.com/market. That seems to be the end of the box. If you have any more suggestions on what to unbox, please comment down below. Thank you for joining us today.